out here at Beaverton High School, construction has started off to a strong start this summer. As soon as school got out, we really ramped up on site. The crews have been feverishly working to get foundations in and get everything buttoned back up before students return. This week and next week is going to be similar to what we have been working on, which is mostly foundations and underground work. We are doing a lot of work, but this is a huge project. This is going to take us more than 2 years to build, and we're about, 6 months into that 2.5-year build. So I'd say we're 5–10%. A big thing that the community can look forward to seeing is we will start standing steel in September. That means the building will be going vertical. One thing I would like to reassure community members is that all of our team members are here working hard every day. We're working a lot of Saturdays this summer to make sure that we get this project done. Yes, this is a 2.5-year build, so we have a long road ahead of us, but we are hitting the ground running and intend to keep running until we get students in seats.